What does air contain? In this module, you will learn what the air around us contains. Sid and Diamond have come to a park. Look, Sid has found his friends there. He is playing with them. The park is so beautiful. It has so many trees. Do you know that there is something common between Sid, Diamond, all the other kids and the trees in the park? Well, all of them breathe. Kids and Diamond need oxygen to breathe, whereas plants need carbon dioxide to breathe. All of them get the gas they need from the surrounding air. So, the air around us contains both oxygen and carbon dioxide. Other than these two gases, air also contains a large quantity of nitrogen. Air is mainly made of three gases, namely oxygen, carbon dioxide and nitrogen. Air also contains a small quantity of water vapor, which is also a gas. In addition, small quantities of some other gases are also present in air. So kids, the air around us contains many gases, and that is the reason is referred to as the mixture of gases. Apart from all these gases, air also contains tiny dust particles. They are always present all around us. In addition, air also contains germs. These are tiny living organisms that we cannot see. So kids, now you know what the air around us contains? Let's recap. Air is a mixture of gases. Air contains a number of gases like carbon dioxide, oxygen, nitrogen, and water vapor. Air also contains dust and germs.